everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to make a delicious Nutella dessert cup, and it looks very attractive also. It is a perfect dessert to make for this holiday season and to start the new year. So hope everyone loves this recipe, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my notifications. So to make this recipe, all the ingredients I'm showing here makes 24 cups of Nutella dessert, and all the ingredients are provided in the description box. I'm taking Ritz crackers 3-pack, which is little bit saltier. I don't want to, these salty crackers cuts the sweetness. I like that way. If you don't want salty crackers, you can use any chocolate crackers, which is or chocolate biscuits, which is readily available in this store. So in the blender, make a powder of the crackers. You can see it has powdered very well. This is our first layer. Transfer this cracker powder into each cup. Little bit pat it so that it is levels out. For our second layer, I am taking 1 liter of heavy whipping cream. For this, add 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar, make sure it is sieved, and 5 big scoops of Nutella. Whisk it until Nutella mixes with the whipping cream. You can see the color is changing and the Nutella has been dissolved. With the hand mixer, whip it until swift peaks are formed. So this is our second layer. Transfer it to each cup. Pat it so that it levels out. Especially kids will love this recipe. For our third layer, I am taking milk chocolate, 2 of 214 gram. You can take any brand milk chocolate and cut it into small pieces. It is a heavy recipe, but once in a while, I think during holiday season, it's okay to have it. Especially kids will really love this recipe. And I'm taking 500 gram of heavy hot whipping cream. Add the chocolate into the whipping cream. Add 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract and mix it. Since the whipping cream is hot, chocolate dissolves easily. So our chocolate ganache is ready. This is our third layer. So add it on top of the Nutella mixture. We can see the layers very clearly. Now refrigerate it until the ganache is set. To garnish on top, I am taking 450 gram of hazelnut. Coarsely chop it in the blender, and in the pan, roast it in low to medium flame for 5 minutes. So now let the hazelnut cools down, and also the ganache is setting in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, let's prepare the icing. For icing, I am taking 250 gram of unsalted butter in room temperature. Whip it until it is soft and fluffy. Add cream cheese 250 gram which is in room temperature, and 100 gram of powdered sugar, sieved, it is sieved. Whisk it until it is soft and fluffy. So our cream cheese icing is ready. Transfer it to the piping bag. So our all ingredients for garnishing is ready. So our ganache has set. Hazelnut has been cooled down. Add hazelnut on top of the ganache. Add the cream cheese icing. Wow, it looks too good. Now add the whatever the powdered hazelnut we have on top of the icing as a garnish. Isn't it too hard to resist? So please do try this awesome recipe for this holiday season and New Year. And everyone, be happy, be healthy, be safe, and Happy New Year.